Oke Bang Bro, jadi ini dia untuk device-nya yang version kita UBL GT10 Pro ya. Sekarang kita cek ya status bootloader-nya di developer ya, atau di mode pengembang. Nah, jadi di sini di bagian sistem terus opsi pengembang. Oke, di sini kalian bisa lihat sendiri untuk buka kunci OEM di sini udah bootloader tidak terkunci, berarti ini udah di UBL. Nah, pokoknya pas habis kalian tuh ngetik fast boot flashing unlock, itu langsung aja klik volume atas sama power. Gantian, volume atas dulu terus power gitu. Diklik aja, jangan ditahan gitu. Terus kalian tinggal ributin aja HP kalian. Nanti pasti ya reset semuanya ya, ini data-data semua hilang. Jadi kayak HP baru nih.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out. You gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant.
Will you fucking fight back?